Welcome to Billionaire, the one place on earth where luxury, power, and imagination collide. If this is your first time here, you're not just watching another YouTube video, you're stepping into a secret world very few ever get to see. Today's episode isn't about bikes. It's about what happens when the world's wealthiest minds decide to create machines that don't just ride, they rule. These aren't motorcycles. These are works of art, designed for those who live beyond limits. Every frame you'll see in this video has been created with one purpose: to show you what happens when money is no object, creativity is unleashed, and the result is something so bold, so futuristic, so unbelievable, you won't be able to look away. This isn't just a tour of expensive machines, it's a story. A story of power, of innovation, of desire. These custom-built billionaire bikes are unlike anything you've ever seen. No factories, no production lines, just pure craftsmanship, vision, and insane amounts of cash. Every curve, every detail, every bolt has been crafted for one person, and that person is someone who lives in a world you and I can only imagine. And that's why this video matters. Because today, you get to peek inside that world. You get to feel what it's like to own something no one else can have. You get to imagine the thrill of gliding through future cities on a machine built just for you. You get to experience what it means to ride not for transport, but for identity, for power, and for legacy. Every bike in this video tells a story without saying a word. They're massive, wide, bold machines, designed not just to move, but to command attention. Covered in custom paint jobs that reflect the sun like liquid glass. Tires so huge, they make supercars look small. Chrome that catches every light. Neon edges that glow like fire. These bikes weren't made to fit in, they were made to stand alone. The price? Let's just say most people couldn't afford the tires. These machines range from $500,000 to several $1,000,000. And every dollar is a step into perfection. Into customization. Into design philosophies that most brands wouldn't dare try. These are not meant for the roads. They're built for display, for showrooms in mansions, for collectors who see motorcycles not as vehicles, but as trophies of wealth and taste. But let's be honest, it's not just about money. It's about what these bikes represent. Freedom, individuality, legacy. These bikes are a billionaire's way of saying, this is who I am. They reflect personality, ambition, power. And today, you get to witness that message, loud and clear. Now, here's the part that matters most. Don't skip. Don't rush. Let yourself experience this video the way it was meant to be experienced, as a full, immersive journey. Every frame is crafted for a reason. Every camera angle shows you something different. From the sculpted tanks to the oversized tires, from the futuristic cities in the backdrop to the cinematic lighting that makes chrome sparkle like diamonds, this is your all-access pass to the Billionaire Garage. Keep watching, because it gets better. As this video continues, you'll see more designs, more details, more incredible custom work that will absolutely blow your mind. The colors will shift. The textures will evolve. The energy will rise. And by the time you reach the end, you won't just be watching anymore, you'll feel like you've been there, standing right in front of machines that shouldn't exist, but do. And if you love style, if you love design, if you love things that push the boundaries of what's possible, you're in the right place. Because Billionaire isn't just a channel. It's a movement. It's where art meets wealth. It's where future meets passion. It's where the extraordinary becomes real. And let's not forget, you, watching this right now, are part of something special. You're not just a viewer. You're someone with vision. Someone who appreciates excellence. Someone who knows that life is about more than survival, it's about living bold. Living loud. Living like a billionaire, even if it's just for a moment. So don't click away. Don't let this be just another video you scroll past. Let it be your moment of inspiration. Your glimpse into a world few will ever touch. Let it ignite your imagination. Let it show you what's possible when creativity has no ceiling and ambition writes the rules. And when you reach the end, ask yourself, what would your dream machine look like? What would you build, if you had no limits? Because here at Billionaire, we're not just showing you luxury. We're reminding you that anything is possible. The future belongs to the bold. And sometimes, the most powerful statement you can make, is on two wheels. Hit that like button if you're still with us. Drop a comment and tell us which part took your breath away. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Because the next video, it might just take you inside something even wilder. A flying penthouse. A diamond-decked yacht. A private jet with a glass floor. This channel is only getting started. Thanks for riding with us today. This is Billionaire.